Yes ma, take problem. This is in your practicalist ma. It is practicalist question ma. Find the equation of right circular cylinder. Find the equation of right circular cylinder whose guiding curve is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 is equal to 0, comma x minus y plus z equal to 3. X square plus y square plus z square minus 9 equal to 0, comma x minus y plus z equal to 3. This is your question ma. It is little bit different question ma. Again I want to take a diagram here ma. This is our required right circular cylinder ma. We have to form this one only. We have to find equation of this one only. Here the given guiding curve equation. This is suppose guiding curve equation ma. That guiding curve is they given as sphere ma. I mean sorry, circle ma. It is sphere combination with plane gives what ma? Circle. This is your guiding curve equation ma, right? And you know center ma. This is axis of the cylinder, which is passing through center of the guiding curve of the cylinder ma. This is center, let it be, right? This is axis ma. Now first of all I want to define this axis equation ma. For that once concentrate, is it this axis line is perpendicular to this guiding curve or not ma? Yes, axis is what ma? Perpendicular to guiding curve ma. But what is guiding curve ma? This is guiding curve, combination of these two things. Means is it this axis is perpendicular to this plane or not? Yes. Under this plane, this 1 minus 1 1 x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient are what ma? Direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Normal means what ma? Perpendicular line. Is it this is perpendicular line to this plane or not ma? So that 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 becomes what ma? Direction ratios of this line ma, means axis ma. Yes, we got direction ratios of the axis ma. In the next step I want to take a point P, which is x1 comma y1 comma z1 on the axis ma. Now let us go to your axis line equation ma. X minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by m equal to z minus z1 by n ma, right? That is your axis line equation ma. After getting that we can proceed the remaining work ma. I mean after getting that roughly I will explain ma. Let us define a general point on this line. I am taking lambda ma. Let us take that general point is on base curve ma, somewhere here or here, right? Here I want to take capital A. Whenever it is on the base curve ma, it must satisfy this equation. Substitute them and eliminate lambda ma. After that just define locus of point P ma, you get your required right circular cylinder. That is a total outlook of this question ma. But first take your given guiding curve equation ma, right? Given guiding curve is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 equal to 0, comma x minus y plus z equal to 3 ma, right? You can now go to your diagram ma. We know that axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to guiding curve or guiding curve of the cylinder. Simply I am writing guiding curve, right? So that axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the plane. What is that plane ma in the guiding curve equation? X minus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. Any problem? So that, or this implies 1 minus 1, 1 means x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient are what ma? Direction ratios of the axis of the cylinder. Yes, up to here we define direction ratios of the axis. Next, let us take a point P on the axis. Let P x1 comma y1 comma z1 be a point on the axis, so that the equation of axis is, means axis line equation is what ma? X minus x1 by 1 is equal to y minus y1 by minus 1 is equal to z minus z1 by 1. Again, to define a general point, take this is equal to lambda. See, now define general point on this line ma. General point on above line is yes, I am denoting that general point with capital A. It is what ma? X is equal to x1 plus lambda, y is equal to y1 minus lambda, y is equal to y1 minus lambda, z is equal to z1 plus lambda. Any doubt here? Yes, already I proceed more. General point means anywhere on this line. Let us take that point is on the axis, guiding curve. Let us take capital A is a point on the guiding curve. I am proceeding that more. Let capital A is a point on the given guiding curve, what is that ma? X square plus y square plus z square minus 9 equal to 0, comma x minus y plus z is equal to 3. That implies, substitute that point A ma, x1 plus lambda whole square plus y1 minus lambda whole square plus z1 plus lambda whole square minus 9 equal to 0. Let us consider this is equation number 1 and go for next ma. x1 plus lambda minus y1 minus lambda plus z1 plus lambda is equal to 3. Just simplify this and find lambda and then substitute here, right? This implies, just I am going to simplification of this one. x1 minus y1 plus z1, x1 minus y1 plus z1, this is one combination. Next, lambda plus lambda, 2 lambda plus 3 lambda is equal to 3. This implies 3 lambda is equal to 3 minus of x1 minus y1 plus z1, 3 minus of x1 minus y1 plus z1. Now divide with 3 ma, you get lambda. This implies lambda is equal to 3 minus x1 plus y1 minus z1 whole by 3. This is lambda. Substitute this lambda in this one. Substituting, lambda is equal to 3 minus x1 plus y1 minus z1 whole by 3 in equation 1. We get, yes, what is that ma? Substitute here, x1 plus 3 minus x1 plus y1 minus z1 whole by 3 whole square plus y1 minus of lambda is this na, 3 minus x1 plus y1 minus z1 whole by 3 whole square, this square na, whole square plus z1 plus lambda is what ma, 3 minus x1 plus y1 minus z1 whole by 3 whole square up to here completed, minus 9 equal to 0, right? In the next step ma, you can simplify this ma, you can simplify this, take here 3 common, here 3 common, here 3 common, take all the terms to one side and divide multiply throughout expression with 9 ma, to remove this 3 square term ma, and then define locus of point P ma. I am not doing that work directly ma, just I want to go through like this. The locus of point P is, yes, here I want to take 3 common, means if you can take outside it is 9 square karna. 3 square is 9 now, it is 3x1 plus 3 minus x1 plus y1 minus z1 whole square plus 3y1 minus of 3 minus x1 y1 z1, locus we are defining, that's why no need to write x1 y1 z1, x y z you can write 3y minus of 3 plus minus x plus y minus z whole square plus 3z plus 3 minus x plus y minus z whole square minus, we are multiplying with 9 3 square na, 9 is the what ma, minus 81 is equal to 0. This be your cone ma, but here do further simplification ma, this complete proceed, after that you can proceed a plus b whole square formula like that ma, simplify it ma, right? This be equation of right circular cylinder. This be equation of right circular cylinder ma. This is about your problem ma, one special problem which is in your practical list ma. This may be in practical list ma, right? Yes, next to take definition of enveloping cylinder ma. Enveloping cylinder. Yes, it is very simple ma. Let us take a sphere, we can call it as surface, general surface, or in our syllabus particulars we are taking a sphere ma, right? Let us take a sphere ma. For this sphere, whatever parallel tangent lines can exist, all those form ma. These are all what ma, parallel tangent lines to the sphere, which forms one new surface ma. That new surface is called as enveloping cylinder ma. Once again I am repeating ma. Let S is a sphere, then the set of all parallel tangent lines to this sphere forms a surface which is called as what ma, forms a cylinder which is called as what ma, enveloping cylinder ma. Let S is a sphere, then the set of all parallel tangent lines to this sphere forms a cylinder which is called as what ma, enveloping cylinder. This is a definition of enveloping cylinder ma. Very simple. Let us take one surface ma, define whatever parallel tangent lines can exist for that sphere ma. That forms new surface ma. That new surface is called as what ma, enveloping cylinder. This is the definition of enveloping cylinder ma. Now let us see theorem here. It is in our cylinders ma, theorem number 3 I think. It is the last theorem in this statement is, prove that the equation to the enveloping cylinder, prove that the equation to the enveloping cylinder prove that the equation to the enveloping cylinder of the surface, surface means generally sphere, of the surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square in the direction of L comma M comma N is, means that answer is Lx plus My plus Nz, Lx plus My plus Nz whole square is equal to L square plus M square plus N square into x square plus y square plus z square minus a square. It is almost same like your enveloping cone concept. In the enveloping cone we defined theorem, na? That same logic here we have to use, na? Right? This is your question, ma? Yes. First of all, I want to plot a diagram, ma. This is, sorry, here I want to take, this is our sphere, ma, this sphere, ma, right? Now take all parallel tangent lines to this sphere. We are writing just 2 only because it is 2-dimensional space, ma. Like this, so many will get you. Now this new surface is what, ma? Enveloping cylinder, our required enveloping cylinder, ma, right? Yes. In the statement, what they given, ma? The equation of the enveloping cylinder of the surface sphere. This sphere equation they given, ma. In the direction of L comma M comma N means what, ma? Direction ratios of this generators becomes what, ma? L comma M comma N. Here L comma M comma N are what, ma? Direction ratios of the generators, ma, right? That they given, ma. Here I want to proceed. P is a point, ma. This P, something like x1 comma y1 comma z1 be a point on the generator, ma, right, or on the cylinder, ma, whatever it may be here. Now let us define this line equation. X minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N, ma. After getting line, ma, that line should be anywhere here, ma. I mean general point defined, ma, on that line. That general point is anywhere on this line, ma. I want to take that general point here, ma, which is some capital A, ma. Whenever that general point is here, ma, is it on the given sphere or not? Substitute that general point on the sphere and then use touching condition, ma, you get your required result, ma, right? Just roughly I explained, ma. Now come on to your approach, ma, because let us go to proof of it, ma. Yes. First take your given surface, ma. Given that given surface is antan, given that below. Instead of given that I am writing given surface is, surface means what, ma? Sphere. In brackets I am writing, what is that, ma? X square, sorry, given surface in brackets write down sphere is, it is what, ma? X square plus y square plus z square minus a square equal to 0, right? Internal they given L comma M comma N are what, ma? Direction ratios of generator of the cylinder, ma. Given that in the direction means those are direction ratios, remember, ma. L comma M comma N are direction ratios of the generators of the cylinder, means this line direction ratios they given, ma. Now take P is a point on the cylinder, ma. Let P x1 y1 z1 be a point on the cylinder be a point on the cylinder. That means here now define this line equation, ma. Therefore the equation of the line means it is generator, ma. Equation of the line, this line is generator passing through, equation of the line passing through the point P x1 y1 z1 and having direction ratios L comma M comma N is what, ma? X minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N. To define a general point on this line, ma, to define a general point on this line, let us take this is equal to some lambda. Now let us define general point here, ma. General point on above line is I am denoting that general point with capital A ma. It is x is equal to x1 plus lambda L, comma y is equal to y1 plus lambda m, z is equal to z1 plus lambda n. But again, general point means anywhere on this line ma. I want to fix that general point is on your given surface ma, right? Let capital A is a point on the given surface. What is that surface ma? X square plus y square plus z square minus a square equal to 0. This implies we have x1 plus lambda L whole square plus y1 plus lambda m whole square plus z1 plus lambda n whole square minus a square is equal to 0, right? In the next step, expand this one according to a plus b whole square ma, then write lambda square coefficient separately, lambda coefficient separately, and free from lambda ma. First I want to write lambda square coefficient ma. It is b square term in this a plus b whole square. What is that ma? L square plus m square plus n square whole into lambda square. Directly I am writing. If you have any difficulty ma, first expand according to a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, then write lambda square term plus in this a plus b whole square 2ab term gives lambda term ma. There we are taking 2 common as well as lambda also we are taking common ma. Now ab 2ab, it is what ma? x1l or lx1, anyway you can write lx1 plus my1 plus nz1 into lambda. We taken 2 common and lambda common ma, right? Plus free from lambda term is what ma? x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square. x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square is equal to 0. Let it be, this is some relation number 1 ma. I mean this line I want to take as number 1 ma, this take as 2 better, right? But if we can concentrate this diagram ma, is it this line is touches to this surface or not, or this line is tangent line to this surface or not? Whenever this line is tangent line to this surface, only one common point will get ma. That means if you can simplify this ma, you get 2 equal lambda values, and here 2 lambda values will get, but both must be equal because here single common point is there. Whenever roots of 2 equation are equal, its discriminant becomes 0 or not. Here let us take this as ax square plus by square plus c ax square plus bx plus c ma. What is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4 into a into c becomes 0. I am using that condition in the next step ma, right? We know that line equation 1 touches given surface. Given surface means what ma? This sphere ma. Given surface, this one ma, right? So that roots of above equation, this equation, roots of above equation are equal. Hence, its discriminant becomes 0. Its discriminant becomes 0. Yes, you know what is discriminant ma? Discriminant means you know b square minus 4ac equal to 0. This implies b square is what ma? 4 into lx1 plus my1 plus nz1 whole square minus 4 into a, what is ma? L square plus m square plus n square into c is what ma? x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square is equal to 0, right? Here divide with 4 ma, you can cancel this. After that, take this total term to other side and then define locus of point P. P is a point on the cylinder. If you can define locus of P, you must get your required cylinder equation. That I am doing in the next step. At a time I am defining locus and I am taking this one to other side. The locus of point P is, yes, it is what? Lx plus my plus nz whole square. Lx plus my plus nz whole square is equal to, because this is negative term, is equal to L square plus m square plus n square, L square plus m square plus n square into x square plus y square plus z square minus a square. This be equation of your enveloping cone. Be equation of enveloping cylinder, not cone. Enveloping cylinder. Is it completes your question or not? Again here, if we can thorough this part, problematic part is same like this. How to do? Just here, instead of LM in alphabets, you must take what? Some numerical values, 1, 2, 3 like that. Apart from that, in the problematic part, nothing different. If you can practice this theorem proof, 100% problematic part also almost completed, right? Yes, take problem here. Find the equation of enveloping cylinder. Find the equation of enveloping cylinder. Find the equation of enveloping cylinder of the surface x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0, having its generators parallel to the line, x equal to y equal to z. Parallel to the line x equal to y equal to z. Find equation of the enveloping cylinder of this surface, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0, having its generators are parallel to this line. Yes, same diagram, no change at all. This equation only we need, right? In the question they given this surface, sphere means this surface as sphere they given, right? And one more condition they given. What is that? Generators of this cylinder are parallel to this line. X equal to y equal to z means it is x by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1. So that 1 comma 1 comma 1 are direction ratios of this line. If 1 1 1 are direction ratios of this line, then any line parallel to this line direction ratios are also what? 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now from this what do you say? 1 comma 1 comma 1 are direction ratios of this generator, right? Or generators, whatever it may be. Now you got here direction ratios for this line, and then let us take a point P, x1 y1 z1 on the line. Now define line equation same like previous theorem you can do, right? But before that I am going to write given conditions. Given that or given surface is, directly surface equation I am taking. What is that? X square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Given that, other given condition I am writing. The generators of the cylinder are parallel to the line. What is that line? X equal to y equal to z means what? X by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1. Okay, na? parallel to the line, x by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1 ma. So that 1 1 1 1 comma 1 comma 1 are direction ratios of generators of this cylinder. Yes. In the next step, let us take a point P on the cylinder my x1, y1, z1. Let P x1, y1, z1 be a point on the cylinder. Right? That means this is a point on the cylinder. Now is it possible to write this line or not? Generator equation. What is that? Equation of the line passing through point P and having direction ratios 1 comma 1 comma 1. That I am writing now. The equation of generator is generator B andam. What is that? X minus x1 by 1 is equal to y minus y1 by 1 is equal to z minus z1 by 1. X minus x1 by 1 equal to y minus y1 by 1 equal to z minus z1 by 1 ma. To define a general point here ma, let us take this is equal to some lambda and take it as equation 1 better. Somewhere we are going to use. Now define general point on this line ma. General point on above line is, yes, I am denoting with capital A the general point. It is what? X equal to x1 plus lambda, y equal to y1 plus lambda, z equal to z1 plus lambda. This is general point, right? That means that is a point on this line, anywhere on this line. Let us fix that point where ma? Here on the sphere ma, I mean on the surface ma, right? Let capital A is a point on the given surface what is that surface ma? X square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x1 plus lambda whole square plus y1 plus lambda whole square plus z1 plus lambda whole square minus 2 into x1 plus lambda plus 4 into y1 plus lambda 4 into y1 plus lambda, there is no z term na, minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now write down this one quadratic equation in terms of lambda. Here go through a plus b whole square expansion, b square term 1 plus b square b square b square. Is it 3 lambda square or not? Lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda square, right? Next let us go for 2ab term, right? In the 2ab term I want to take 2 common and lambda common. It is what? x1 lambda x1 plus y1 plus z1. 2ab term. Here once common. Basically this is minus 2 lambda. 2 outside, lambda outside. Is it minus 1 or not? Right? 2ab means 2ab. Is it minus x1 or not? Next 2 outside ma. It is 1 2 is there, lambda outside, y1 is there. 2 outside, y1 is there, lambda we are taking common one. I think this total thing should be the coefficient of lambda, right? Next write constant result ma. B square, a square, it is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus 2x1. Here once look ma, here we did mistake ma, especially this lambda coefficient ma. Okay, up to here there is no problem at all ma. x1, y1, z1, here once concentrate ma. Lambda is outside na, 2 is outside, here minus 1 ma, because not 2ab term. This is the lambda coefficient. This is the lambda coefficient ma. So that what is the value here? Plus 2 into lambda. Just I did mistake there ma. Just lambda coefficient only write ma. Next here ma, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Any doubt with this ma? Especially concentrate here. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is what ma? Yes here ma. Minus 1 plus 2 is what ma? Plus 1. I mean this you can write as 3 lambda square plus 2 into x1 plus y1 plus z1 plus 1 into lambda plus remaining term you can write as it is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 1 equal to 0. Let it be number 2. But if you can concentrate this diagram, is it this generator touches this sphere or this surface or not? Whenever generator can touches the surface ma, roots of this quadratic equation are equal. Hence its discriminant becomes 0. That word we are using here ma. We know that line equation 1 touches given surface, means this surface, given surface, so that roots of above equation are equal. Hence its discriminant becomes 0. Yes. Discriminant means what ma? B square minus 4AC equal to 0. It is B square is what ma? 4 into x1 plus y1 plus z1 plus 1 whole square minus 4 into 3 into x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here if you want I am writing reason, since b square minus 4ac equal to 0. This condition we proceed. Discriminant 0 ma. Here divide with 4 ma. Right? After that this you can expand according to a. Here take these two is one combination, these two one combination, a plus b whole square ma, and then combine total relation. After that let us define locus of it ma. You get your required cone. Here simply I am writing like this ma. The locus of point P is yes, here I am writing ma, x plus y plus z plus 1 whole square minus 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can do simplification at home, I mean yourself ma. You get final expression, that be equation of your cylinder ma. Just I am going to write that final result here in the notes available, already in the material it is available ma. That is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus 4x plus 5y minus z minus 2 equal to 0. This may be your final result ma. Be equation of enveloping cylinder. This completes your question ma. In enveloping cylinder, all questions you must do like this only. This is the only procedure to form your enveloping cylinder ma. Right? Any problem if they give ma, procedure should be like this ma. Just once practice your theorem ma, in enveloping cylinder. After that any problem you can do in this model ma. Right? This is about complete your cylinders as well as unit number 2. In unit 2 already I told two topics available. One is cones and other one is cylinders. This completes your cylinders, so that you can complete your total unit number 2. This is about your complete unit number 2.